we request for you to have your picture taken at the Firefly Heart. Ayan, Firefly Heart in tent, and later on, here on stage. Again.
Is Jessica here po? Ma'am, sa baba, ma'am, sa baba.
Ito po sa baba, ma'am.
Ma'am, sa baba. Ma'am, dito.
Alright. Thank you, JS, and also another photo here on stage. On stage po. Okay. After po dyan,
Thank you, ma'am.
and of course we have our former SVP, Miss Marisa Flores. Hello, MLF. Good evening. JS, another photo pa here on stage. Careful lang po. Ayan, another photo. Ang bag ni JS. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Jessica Soho at kasama po ako sa mga very proud dito po sa production ng GMA Public Affairs, itong The Firefly. Kami po sa Public Affairs, we continue to believe in the power of a strong story. At ito po yun, The Firefly. Excited na po akong mapanood kasi alam ko ilang taon din po ang inabot bago ito mapapanood. Yung storya talagang binusisi at yung production talaga namang pinaghirapan. And sana po magustuhan nyo rin. More power sa aming public affairs team. The best of luck to all of us. Sana ma-appreciate ng moviegoers. Sana marami pang sumunod. Basta maniwala lang po tayo na ang mga kwentong may kabuluhan ay may kapangyarihan para magbago o magpabago ng mga buhay. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.